Hello friends! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to greet somebody. So I'm cooking pancit for her birthday. So yes, stay tuned with me and we'll see whose birthday it is today, May 28th. So we'll see. Okay. Tingnan natin kung sinong bumabati sa kanila. I don't have enough time to ask for more greetings, but somehow I did something for this lady. So we'll see who it's gonna be. Hey,
good morning. This is Nansky Vlog. So, i-greet ko si Dijonis, the adventure. Si The Adventure, isang agopoy. So, maligayang karawan, mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo. And then, super supportive friend. Ang kakulitan, na-miss ko yun kasi busy na kasi ako. Busy na kasi ako guys. Siyempre, bagong ko, back to work. Tutok yan. So, balik back to work guys. So, Rose Adventure, maraming salamat sa suporta, sa lahat-lahat. Alam ko kayong tao na hindi mahilig. Napakita yung mukha. Hindi mahilig sa social media, pag tumutulong, kusang loob. Basta alam na. Kaya happy birthday, mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo, aggotoy. Bye-bye!
Hello everyone! Hello mga ka-trip! Hello mga ka-YT World! My friends in YT World! First of all, I'm very much thankful nga naapaghihapon mo. Continue sa ato ang YT, and also sorry Jude kaayo for wala ko nagpakita sa inyo ha, and sa inyong mga live, wala ko nakabisita sa inyong mga channel, and sige lang, bawi lang ko pohon. It's because this time daghan lagi tang ipang-apilan na mga sideline, pati pagpakaon sa itoy sa Shein giapilan ko na, and also mas ma-prioritize pod nako ang work. So, di ko maka-edit. So, dili ko maka-upload sa ko ang mga videos. Wala na akong mga videos. And also, ma-priority, as I said, ma-priority ang work. So, makapoy na pag-abot sa balay. And dili na maka-open gani sa YT. And also, this time, mag-say lang kung happy birthday sa akong bossing. Boss D, happy birthday. Boss D, Jade, Eunice, Rose's Adventure, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and more success in your life, in your career, success sa imuhang YT, and also sa imuhang work. And may God bless you and more power. And also, kay Ma'am Anggi, thank you sa pag-remind, Ma'am. And that's all. So, that's all I can say. A happy birthday to you, Boss D. That's all. This is Trip ni Eve. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayun, at napakanta naman si Bonsai Stang Lumpo ng happy birthday. Nais ko munang batiin ng happy and blessed birthday, Mama Day, or yung Dijonis or Rose's Adventure sa larangan ng YT. So kahit busy tayo sa ating mga buhay, nandun pa rin yung friendship na tinatawag, yung nagkakamustahan dahil hindi lang mangungutang agoy. Nakakatakot yung gano'n na kaibigan, yung nangangamusta tapos mangungutang agoy. Hindi naman gawain ni Munsay Stang Lumpo yun. Nangangamusta dahil matagal ka nang hindi nakikita, mga ganon. Nakumusta ka na? Iba yung dating sa isang tao na kakamustahin ka. Yon ang tinatawag nating friendship. Sana marating mo ang iyong pangarap hanggang sa rurok ng kaligayahan na guya. Dahil kung maligaya ka na, nakuha mo na yung gusto mo. Ayun. So, happy and blessed birthday, Mama Day. We love you and bye-bye.
Hi everyone, this is MD168. Today I wanted to greet a happiest birthday sa kaibigan nating si Dage Jones or Rose Adventure. So, I wish you all the best, Sisi, and I'm always grateful that you are always there. Anywhere, anytime, magsusupport sa mga lahat ng mga, hindi naman lahat, whenever there's a chance at my time tayo sa bawat isa, and I'm grateful talaga sa mga effort natin din. So anyway, I wish you all the best, Sis Dage Jones, and enjoy life and aim so high. So thank you for all your good tips, also for your good channel about cooking here and there. And I know you have a very good channel kasi it's about educating us on how and what to cook and etc. So I just wish you all the best and God bless and enjoy life. So happy birthday. Bye.
Good morning world. Babati lang ako ng happy birthday sa aking kapatid na si Rosie's Adventure or Day. Happy birthday, Day. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo dyan, kapatid, is maging masaya ka palagi at ingatan ng pangkulusugan at alam ko napakabait mo, napakabuti, hindi ka pabayaan ng Diyos kahit saan ka man naroon. Mag-ingat lang palagi. Happy birthday, Day, at stay as sweet as you are, huwag mababago. Yan lang. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Mwah. Chop chop. Happy birthday, Day. Love you. Bye.
Hi everyone, good morning. Dito nag-walking ako today. Hiking. So yeah, this is hiking for health. So today is birthday pala ni Sis D. Jones and Rosie's Adventure or Rosie's Adventure na akong channel niya. So Sis D, happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life. And then especially health. So stay healthy and pretty. I wish you na marami pang blessing na darating sa buhay mo. And then, yeah, kung may time, lakad-lakad tayo para yan sa ating health. So, enjoy your day. Enjoy habang young and pretty. Enjoy Sis Day. So, happy birthday again. And God bless.
Hello everyone. Yes, I would like to greet happy birthday to D. Jones, our Roses Adventure. It's her birthday and I hope God will bless her more years to come and have a very wonderful year and more years ahead. Salamat D sa iyong support sa akin. Love and support, of course. Kasi every time that I will ask you to be my co-host, you're always there. You never fail to say to say yes to me, and I thank you for that. Yes, stay blessed, and hopefully God will give and answer your prayers. Hopefully naman ay getting married ka na soon, hopefully. And I hope that you could visit me here and me to you. Okay, what else I can do? Happy birthday, but I don't have anything here. I just have to give you this. Happy birthday. I love you, Day. Thank you so much. And here is the whole congregation of St. Edward to sing for you. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So you see, nagluto ako ng pansit for the Jonas or Rose's Adventure.